Reggie, I'm old, and I seem like I can't remember nothing no more. I try to say what day it is, I ain't got a clue.
Hey! God!
What you doing, huh?
So you want me to take you to that special doctor? One that might can help you remember things.
Is Reggie coming later?
No, it's just you and me. But Reggie did want you to go see this doctor, so...
We developed a treatment. Mr. Grey will remember everything that he has ever known. But the treatment will only work once.
Is that what you want?
I got a lot of things to do, and I need my memory to do it.
There's something in your heart, and this in your eyes is the fire.
Mr. Grey, how you feeling?
Never better. That's fact. I can see it all so clear now. My mind, it's a whole lifetime just spinning around in there. My Uncle McCoy dog stole something. Treasure. I'ma find it.
Papa Grey, I'm worried about you.
The rate of the decline is
Accelerating.
meaning my mind's gonna be worse than it was before. But I got to finish this. You got to let the river take its course. And the river know right where it's going.